I had thought you said the officer had checked in, Darnell.
No,
Yeah, okay, 'cause that's why we call Paula. Ain't that the one we call Paula for?
we called Paula for Ms. Dunn's case. She said she will be back with her recommendation, but the officer is still not here.
Oh,
She
yeah,
wanted,
that's the only reason. Yeah, that's the only reason we contacted her, because I thought the officer was here.
let's see.
Okay.
Go ahead.
36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reason talking, eating, or sleeping. When your name is called, please give the court your full body attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is case, the People versus Parth Dixit, ticket number X4034605. Count one, failed to stop within assured clear distance. Accident. Good morning. Please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Dunn.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Attorney Susan Dunn. My P number is 58696. I represent Mr. Dixit.
All right, this matter was set for, I think, a trial at 8:30. It is now 9:56. No officer has appeared. So with that, you do have a motion.
I motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
It was set for a formal hearing. All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Good luck to your client.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Darnell.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Sue.
Bye, Phil. Good to see everybody.
Good to see you.
When you get finished with all the ones you talked to, let me know, and Mr. Soroki as well, judges on the bench. So she's gonna handle them in the group that I gave them to you guys.
Right, there's a couple I need to talk to the prosecutor about.
Okay, well, you wanna go online with that?
But other than that, I have two that are ready if you'd like to get them.
Okay, Soroki, do you have anything, all yours are ready?
No, I just talked to Deon Douglas. He's insisting he paid off these two tickets that he's here for
Okay.
today. And I had him read the case numbers to me. They don't match up. So whatever, you're gonna need to talk to him or pull him out or, go in the room. I think it's room number 8.
All right, Mr. Wallen, what's the two that you want to deal with?
Eugene Davis and James Della.
And James Dudlock. Oh, Dudlock. Okay.
We can bring them all out.
You want me to bring them all out, Your Honor?
We can,
Okay,
just do it on the record.
all right.
And you can open court again if you want, because nobody.
I definitely will do that.
Okay.
Okay, I need everyone to remain quiet. The judges on the bench. Everyone, please remain quiet. The judges on the bench. 36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, eating, sleeping, walking around, driving a car, smoking, or anything that will be disrespectful to the court. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give the court your full attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus James Della, ticket number 18464-007. Count one, drive while license suspended. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Walling.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Philip X. Walling, P35229. I am your House Counsel today, representing James Della. State your name, please, sir.
James Della.
Your Honor, there is a recommendation by the people to dismiss this matter. I have no objection.
Stipulate the probable cause.
Yes, I will.
Matter dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Della. Good luck to you. Do you have any questions?
No, yeah, no, thank you.
Good luck, sir. This
All
is the
right.
people versus, thank you, people versus Eugene Davis. Ticket number
Hi.
SP 1000058, count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with attorney, is it Walling or Soroki?
It's mine, Judge. I just put on, I have a very beautiful but loud clock. So
Okay.
my name's Philip Walling. I'm representing Mr. Davis today. State your name, please, Mr. Davis.
Eugene Davis Jr.
Your Honor, at this time, we'd ask this, today's the date and time set for an arraignment. I'd ask the court to recall all the warrants. My client wishes to continue his not guilty plea at this time. We're asking the court to give us a date approximately 30 days out.
Is he willing to set it for a bench trial?
That'd be fine.
Okay,
I'm hoping he has his documents by then.
hopefully, I'm sure he will.
I'm confident of that myself.
Mr. Davis, raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. You understand that you do have the right to a jury trial.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm gonna ask you if you are willing to have a bench trial.
Yes.
Okay, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
Okay, knowing that, and you understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder. They'll make the decision in the case. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we're gonna set it, the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date of September 23rd at 9 o'clock. That should give you enough time to do whatever you need to do to prepare for your defense or get whatever documentation you need to get, okay? The offer does remain open, all right?
Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, you are all set. All right, so I also have, I don't think you talked to this person, but that's okay. We have Raeigen Dixon. Mr. Dixon, you have, it's like 3 matters.
Yes.
The prosecutor's office is offered that if you make admissions to the, Mr. Dixon, turn your video off. Can you hear us better now? We might have to be calling his, this connection's not that strong.
So the court's aware, Mr. Dixon has informed me
Yes.
he has all the relevant documents.
Say that one more time. Mr. Della,
Hello?
you're all set, so I'm gonna remove you, okay? Say it again, Mr. Walling.
Mr. Dixon informs me he has all the relevant documents.
Does he?
That's what he tells me.
Right.
I referred him.
Have you seen all the documents?
I have not, Judge. He tells
Yes,
me
sir.
he has Ms. Horn's email address. So I just referred him to send that to her, but I haven't heard back from her.
All right, so email that to her and we'll recall yours. What about Aretha Rivers? She's on the phone.
I need to talk to the people on that one, Judge.
Have you seen the offer?
I have.
You want to talk?
Yes.
Okay, we'll recall that. Mr. Soroki.
I can't get into the breakout rooms, Your Honor. I need to get out into breakout the 9, 10, and 11 to talk to the defendants, the other
All
defendants.
right, before we do that, let's see what we can do right now.
Okay.
Ronell Robinson, is Ronell here?
Michael, that's one I see.
Ronell Robertson. I don't see Ronell here.
Oh,
I'm here, Miss,
he's not here.
Roberson. His name's Roberson.
right, that's why I was saying Ronell Robertson. I don't see him.
I don't think he's here.
Did you say Douglas?
Say that again. Nope, I didn't say Douglas.
Oh, that's not what I see.
I haven't said that. Let's see, All these are officers. These are officers.
Royal, DeMarco, Raymond.
What
Could I-
about Almir? Hold on, Miss Horn, Mr. Walling wanted to speak to you. So maybe they can go to breakout room number 1.
Okay, the breakout rooms are closed, and if I reopen them, everyone's gonna go back to where they were.
Oh, I see. Okay, well, we'll do it in 1 second. Let's see, who do we have here? Almir Ribic.
He's got a retained attorney, Judge.
Okay. Jidel Durham. Is your officer here? I don't think so. Let me.
No. No.
Okay,
This
so
officer-
we'll call your case. You just find here it is right here. This is the People versus Jidel Durham, sorry. Ticket numbers P1247178, that is closed. Ticket number P1247167, count 1, drive on license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, leave scene of accident, property damage. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Saruki.
Yeah, Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, sir.
My name is Jardel Durham.
Yes. Your Honor, today's date and time. Found this matter. I believe the police officer not appeared. We move to dismiss without prejudice.
This was set for 9 o'clock. It is now 10:07. No officer has appeared, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Good luck to you, Mr. Durham.
Thank you.
All right. Let's see, who else do we have? Ms. Rockmore. I think Ms. Rockmore. I think the officer is here for her case. Yes. Officer Peacock is present, please.
Yes. I have an offer on Rockamore, but I wasn't able to get in the breakout room to discuss
All
it
right,
with
we'll
him.
talk to her right now. Ms. Rockamore, the officer is here on your case. You got a total of 4 tickets. The prosecutor's office has offered that if you make admissions to the drive unregistered or entitled vehicle, driver's license never acquired, then everything else would be dismissed. Those counts would be amended to fail to display an improper place. They are no points. I would give you a fine of $200. I'll waive one of the fines for one of the tickets you made admissions to, make you pay $200. And you can pay it by August 19th. If you need more time, I give you more time. You can take that offer, or if you want to speak to Mr. Soroki, your attorney, you can do that.
I'll take that offer, Your Honor.
All right, this is the People versus Lakaya Rockmore. Ticket number P1229951, count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, driver's license never acquired. Ticket number P1229954, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Makaya Rock.
Go ahead, Mr. Soroki.
Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Defendant wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution in this matter, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Rockmore. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to the court, your attorney, and the prosecutor's office, the president, 30 seconds ago on the record. Is that correct?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
You had a conversation with the court, the prosecutor was present, your attorney was present on the record about your case and your rights. Is that correct?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty? You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of July 26, 2021 at 11:36 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near MLK Boulevard and Cass Avenue in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2006 Pontiac vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Was that vehicle unregistered?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you not have a driver's license?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't have one.
You're satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm also satisfied the factual basis and will amend the counts to improper place and fail to display, and will proceed to, oh, you stipulate the proper cause, that's the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we'll proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine for the improper plates. Can you have that paid by August 19th, or do you need more time?
Yep, I can have that paid.
All right, you have any questions?
No, I don't.
Okay, as I indicated, I'm gonna waive the fine for the other count, and everything else is dismissed. Jenny, you are all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. And I know
Thank
that
you,
Mr.
officer.
I know that Mr. was to talk to you. Okay, one moment.
And House Counsel, I just had a quick question. This is Tamika Horn with the city. Have you had an opportunity to speak with Savannah? Savannah Desjarnet.
I have not talked to her.
Okay, she sent me some documents. I'm just going to go to the courtroom and look at the file. Okay, thank you. Just going through everything. Thank you.
Did you get documents on Dixon?
I did. What's the offer? I was wondering. I'm not sure if I had him plead to the insurance.
Well, count one to the no license.
Yes, and so that's it. He sent me insurance documents. As far as what I can see, that's all I have received from Mr. Dixon.
I talked to him. He said he sent you a license.
Oh, here we go. Okay, they're at different times. Okay.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, so we could dismiss him.
Thank you so much.
Yep. Thank you, Mr. Walling.
How about
Did you need to talk to her about Rivers?
Royal and Rivers? Yes.
Okay, I don't have breakout room capability, so I'll just wait to be assigned.
This is what I'll do. Everyone, listen, I'm gonna open up the breakout room, but it's gonna send you guys back. So can you not, I don't know if it's automatically gonna send you guys, or can you come back to the main session if I bring you back? So that you guys can talk, and then maybe we can, oh wait, yeah. Yeah, Mrs. Roby's gonna stay, so we'll do that. Is that okay, Mr. Cutway?
Yes.
So Mr. Walling Dixon is ready, correct?
Okay, Mr. Walling just went.
Okay.
I'm gonna send Mr. Walling to one.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna send you to one. And then,
Judge? Do we?
I'm gonna bring out Mr., because I see Mr. Mortimer, the Mortimer is here. Are you ready, Mr. Mortimer? I don't think your client, I don't think the attorney, the officer shown up for your client's case.
Okay, we're here for trial. I have not spoken.
I don't think the officer has appeared, so.
Oh, okay.
No, he hasn't.
Okay, so you like to call it, right? I think you would.
Also on Judge, if I may, on Darius Davis, he hasn't, the police officer didn't appear in his case either.
Which one?
Darius Davis. Livon Darius Davis.
You see Darius Davis, bring him out.
The first case at 9 o'clock.
Okay, Davis. Oh, he must be in the waiting room. Hold on.
Versus Almir Ribic, ticket number P1198527, count one, open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Mortimer.
And good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, my name is Gregory Mortimer, and I represent Mr. Ribick. And Your Honor, I am standing in for the attorney of record, who is Marie Garian, and that's with Mr. Ribick's permission. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's now 10:15. Officers appear. You have a motion, Mr. Mortimer?
Yes, Your Honor, I'd like the case to be dismissed.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Good luck to you, sir.
Thanks very much, Your Honor, and enjoy the weekend, everybody.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Dixon, turn your video on. This is the people versus Raeigen Dixon, ticket number SP 1229952, count one, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Throat.
Yes, Alan Soroki appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Raeigen Dixon.
Yes. Your Honor, I believe the prosecutor said these matters can be dismissed based on valid documentation.
All right, well, no, this is set for a trial. I don't think the officer appeared, so.
That was Darius Davis. Dixon, let me look at his. Did Mr.
But Rashard Dixon was, he's here as arraignment on a bench warrant.
I think I just called the wrong case number.
Wallen et al.
Right, the case we have is the first one at 9 o'clock. Darius Davis. With no PO.
Say that one more time.
No police officer. Darius Davis, the first case for 9 o'clock.
Yes, so is Darius here? Well, I dismissed his. Because I think that's just what I just called.
No, you called a different person.
Okay,
Dixon. Called Dixon.
Hold on. You called Rashard Dixon, case number P1229952, count one, and then we went from here.
That's what I called?
Yes.
That is Darius Davis.
Okay.
That's his case. That's what I'm saying. I called the wrong case. And I'm looking for Mr. Dixon. Yeah, here, I'll call it here. This is the people versus Raeigen Dixon, ticket number SP 1120076, count one. Driver's license suspended, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. And then ticket number SX 3724827, count one. Improper license. Okay, good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P374441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Raeigen Dixon.
Yes, we'll have to tell him his offer on the record here and see if he wishes to accept it.
I don't know if I have an offer on that one.
Here, let me look here. Raeigen.
It's safe, it's did not sign in.
Yeah, I did not have an offer on it.
I have it here. Okay, here's the offer. Thank you. Okay, here's the offer. The offer is if you make admissions to fail to display, which would be count one on the drive-by license suspended, it'll be amended to fail to display. Count two would be dismissed, which is the no insurance misdemeanor, and then the state ticket of drove while license not valid or improper, I would dismiss that as well. And then it will be a $200 fine.
Mr. Dixon, you wish to take that offer, plead to one, and dismiss the rest of your tickets? No points?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Very good.
This is, did I call the case?
You called Raeigen Dixon, SP 1120076, count one and two, and SX 3724827, count one.
Thank you. All right, your right hand, Mr. Dixon.
So,
Mr. Dixon, can you hear me? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Okay, you can put your hand down. You've had an
I do.
opportunity. You had an opportunity to speak to the court, your attorney, all on the record about your case and your rights. Is that correct?
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of November 13th, I'm sorry, October 6th, 2020, at approximately 2:56 PM. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Outer Drive and Scouter in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2016 Chrysler vehicle?
yes,
And were you driving that vehicle while your license was suspended?
yes,
You're satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm also satisfied the factual basis. Will amend the count to fail to display. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, those matters are dismissed without prejudice. We will proceed to sentencing. As indicated, there will be a $200 fine. Can you have that paid by August 19th?
yes.
Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
You are all set. Good luck to you.
okay, Judge, as a matter of housekeeping, you said that you called Darius Davis. Darius Davis did not sign into the courtroom this morning.
You said he didn't show up?
He didn't show up.
Okay, well then, we'll just. Okay, we're just gonna KPS him, so.
Okay,
Let me just,
This.
that's the one we just did. Let me just, I'm gonna.
We should pull Deion Douglas out of the breakout room. He's the one claiming that he paid off these tickets.
okay. Could we clear up, Davis first for the
No problem.
record? Can
Yeah, so Davis is just gonna be a KPS.
Yeah, that's out.
Yeah. There. So we're not even gonna really call it, we're done.
He was here though, right?
I don't think he was
No,
here. Was he
no,
ever-
no, no, he
he
did
never
not,
checked in.
never checked in.
All right, so we got a Deion Douglas.
And
Did this officer check in?
his
The
office,
pre-trial is trial.
Deion Douglas case
He's
is,
up for trial. He's one that says that he paid these tickets.
I'm here.
Could I speak to Ms. Rivers, please?
okay, Ms. Rivers.
Douglas, I do see one is set for a trial and, well, set for trial, but it doesn't appear that the officer appeared.
Correct.
Okay, we move to dismiss on Douglas as to all three counts then, Your Honor.
Okay, let me call the case.
Douglas. Who is it? Sure, you had the arraignments, right? On bench warrants?
Yeah, he was set for trial.
Oh, he said for trial. So that would have been in that. Once it said trial, they were trial. Bunch.
Yeah, I don't-
How many is it?
yeah.
Set for trial, they.
Yeah. If you're looking,
I mean, just run all the way.
it's not.
You see, it wasn't even.
Yeah, it's here, under 835.
Yeah.
Do you see it does?
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Just count 1, 2, and 3, right?
No more to print it out?
Oh, we go back. Well, you.
I have it up here. Okay, sorry, I just had to print out the ROA. All right, this is the People versus Dion Douglas, ticket number SP 1249391, count 1. Drive while license suspended, count 2, insufficient or defective lights, and count 3 is no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir? Mr.
Dion
Douglas.
Douglas.
Okay, yes, Your Honor, we move to dismiss at this time without prejudice. The police officer has not appeared, and today's date and time set for trial.
All right. Okay, so, this was set for trial at 8:35. It's now 10:28. No officer has appeared, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You have Roy up there, right, there, Marcus? Marcus Roy, you have that up there, right?
Mr. Wallen just wanted to know who the officer was. It's not on the ROA, I mean, on the docket sheet, Judge.
So.
Yeah, blank spot.
Yes.
Here's Roy right here.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I approach? I was not on here either. Thank you, Judge. There's no officer on there, you don't ROA too.
All right.
All right, let's see. Let's start doing some of these other ones.
Officer.
Let me bring out China Dawson.
I should have put that one should be.
That's right. Ms. Dawson, turn your video on, unmute yourself.
I'm sorry, I can't take my video off. I keep trying.
That's fine. Okay, so Ms. Dawson, you have 2 tickets here. The offer is that if you plead responsible to the civil infraction, which I'm gonna let you know what the fine will be. That fine is $195. You'll, and it's because it's a civil infraction, you only got 2 weeks to pay it. So it would be due on August 12th. And then the misdemeanor would be dismissed. So that's the offer.
Okay, that sounds good.
Okay. This is the People versus China Dawson, ticket number P1240133, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P1240134, count 1, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P374441, and P on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
China Dawson.
Your Honor, defendant wish to accept the offer of the prosecution in this matter.
All right, with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket and ticket number P1240134.
Stipulated.
All right, then you stipulate to probable cause as the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. For the civil infraction, there is a fine of $195 that is due on August 12th. Ms. Dawson, did you have any questions?
I do not.
You are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Could I speak to Mr. Royal, please?
Mr. Royal. 7, okay.
Is Jidel Durham here? Did
Who?
she ever check in? Jidel Durham or Jason Durham?
Jidel, I do believe when we did him, Durham, we did him. His cases were missed without prejudice, no officer.
Okay, all right, very good, thank you.
You know what? I'm gonna wait. We'll do Savannah Dejanay. No, we'll wait on her. She can go into a breakout.
Okay, teacher, now I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Be mindful you're in court. You can't be walking around, talking, eating, when you're sleeping. And attorney will be with you momentarily. Also, you gotta show your face in the camera. I'll put you in breakout room number 9.
Okay, thank you.
Here, I'm gonna see if we can do Aisha Rashid. There's no offer, but if she pled to fail to display, I would dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor. But I gotta see if her civil infractions are in default.
That's fine. Well, let's call her out.
They are.
Who you wanna call out?
Yeah, so we can bring out,
Actually,
wait. They are in default. Okay, so Aisha Rashid, so yeah, it will be failed to display and then dismiss the state no insurance misdemeanor case and then $200 fine. So Aisha Rashid, you can bring her out.
Yes, I am.
Thank you. Miss Rashid?
Yes.
Turn your video on. Oh, Miss Horn, I'm just making offers here. All right, so for Miss Rashid, just FYI, she has a bunch of civil infractions that are already in default. She has 1 count of failed to display and then a state no insurance misdemeanor. I just offer that if she made admissions to the failed to display, I'll dismiss the state no insurance misdemeanor.
Oh, that's perfect, Your Honor. And I wasn't sure how much she had in default, because the people would be willing to dismiss our case. Because if she owes like, $400 or $500, I'd rather her take care of that. I can't hear you, Judge.
You're just willing to dismiss?
Yes, because if she owes
Okay.
money and has to still pay that,
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. This is the People versus Aisha Rashid, ticket number P1273921. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1273918. Count one, 21 to 25 miles per hour over posted speed. Count two, tinted windows, front driver passenger windshield more than 4 inches. And count three, no valid registration certificate. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
It's Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, please? Please state your name for the record.
Aisha Rashid.
Yes.
Looks like the recommendation is to dismiss. Mr. Soroki, you stipulate the probable cause?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Rashid, these matters, the misdemeanors are dismissed. You have some civil infractions that are in default. You need to make sure you take care of them because they're still open. So you need to make sure you pay that money and handle that, okay?
Okay.
You are all set, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so we got Roberta. I don't see Roberta Robertson.
No.
Dante Durham.
I take Durham. I put him, hold on.
Waiting room.
Yeah, he's in the waiting room.
Okay.
There's an offer from, this is just, I think it's from January. Or is this from today? No, this might be a 7. I think it's today's offer. All right. So bring them out.
I brought him out.
Oh, okay. Thank you. All right, Mr. Durham. Oh, is it Durham? Is it Durham? Durham. Can you unmute yourself, turn your video on? All right, Mr. Durham, before we go on the record, here's the offer. The offer is that if you make admission, you got a number of tickets here. The prosecutor's offered that if you make admissions to driving while license suspended, and that count is amended to fail to display, and then you also have to make admissions to expired plates, which is a civil infraction, and then everything else would be dismissed. So if you did that, if you made admissions to the expired plates and then the fail to display, what I would do was I would give you, there would be $145 fine that you need to pay in 14 days. And
Okay.
I would, we got the other fine too.
I was gonna say, I'm ask one question.
Well, I'm not done telling you what I would do.
Oh, okay.
I would, hold on. So I'll waive the other fine. I would waive the other fine. So you would just have to pay the expired plates fine in 14 days.
I heard you. You said what?
Yeah. Do you have any questions, Mr. Durham?
I was about to say, you said you said everything supposed to be dismissed, or do I gotta pay?
Everything else you have will be dismissed.
Just I gotta pay 140.
It'll be 145.
Okay.
Probably too generous.
14 days, right?
Yeah, you got 14 days to pay it.
Okay.
All right, this is the People versus Devontae Durham, ticket number P1256729, count one, expired plates, count two, drive while license suspended, count three, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number P1030950, count one, improper place, count two, driver's license never acquired, ticket number U48731918, count one, disorderly person. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Devontae Durham.
Mr. Durham, your offer is plead to a failure to display as a reduction from driver's license suspended and plead to expired plates, and your no insurance charge will be dismissed, and also all the other tickets that you have outstanding, I guess, would be dismissed too.
Thank you, sir.
Did you want to take that offer?
Yeah, take the everything dismissed, basically. I got paid she told me 145. 2 tickets, yeah. Okay.
You know, well, you would actually just pay for one ticket because I was waiving the fine for.
Oh, one ticket, yeah.
Okay. So, all right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
True.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to the court. Mr. Soroki, the attorney, and the prosecutor was present on the record to discuss your case and your rights.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
All right, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Attention to the date of September 28th, 2021 at approximately 6:48 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Lawton and Lothrop in the city of Detroit?
Yeah, that time, yes.
You driving a 98 Buick vehicle?
That was the car I first had, yes, ma'am.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
I thought that wasn't from
Was your license suspended, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm also satisfied with factual basis. Will amend that count to fail to display. Mr. Soroki, you stipulate to the face of the ticket for count one, the civil infraction,
Yes, Your Honor.
and then you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
So they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing as indicated. There's going to be a fine of $145 that is due August 12th. Any questions?
You said that'll be what?
It's due August 12th, 145.
145? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, August 12th. I will y'all pay it.
All right, yep. You're all set.
Okay, thank you. God bless you.
Thank you.
All right, what about Don River? Are they here? Did DeAndre Don River check in?
He checked, let me double check my notes. He did check in, but what happened, because I wrote some notes on him, he was at work and he was having problems. And I think he left the meeting. And we have the police officer still here. You want me to bring the police?
So I'm like, do we capious him, or he was here but he's gone now?
Yes, he's gone. He been left.
Yeah, we just kidding.
Okay, we'll capious him so we can release Officer Williams.
I gestured him to come out.
Okay. You all set, Mr. Durham? You have
one more. Right, just on that, the August 12th, right? It's 145.
Say that again.
I said just 145 on August 12th, right?
Yes.
Okay, that one. I mean, that was just one. I didn't want to be confused, you know. So I will understand. Okay, I got you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
I don't think he, oh,
I'm just printing them out, that there's no recommendations.
all right, Officer Wiggins, good morning. DeAndre River did, he did check in, but he's gone now. Mr. Petway indicated that he was having some connection issues, but it looks like he left and he hasn't come back. So we're just gonna KPS him.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you for your patience.
All righty.
Okay.
There's no offer for Samir, but here, this is what I'll do is, he can do improper plate. And then I'll dismiss the unregistered untitled vehicle. Samir, good morning, Mr. Rashid. You have two tickets, no insurance misdemeanor, and no registered or entitled vehicle. Do you got any of that documentation? Do you have any insurance now, or is it, or any registration? We can't hear you. Your audio's not working. We can't hear you. I'm muted, but can't hear. Check your audio. Maybe take your earphones out. Maybe that's the problem.
Unmute your device.
You're muted.
Well, we have technical difficulties. Mr. Ratliff, can you tell me if Mr. Royal, DeMarco Royal, has a valid operator's license?
Rashid, Mr. Rashid, we can't hear you. Did you check your audio? Do I need to put KPS on here?
No.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. All right,
Okay.
so did you hear what I said? What the offer was, you got one ticket of no insurance misdemeanor, one ticket of unregistered or untitled vehicle. I would offer that if you pled to the no insurance misdemeanor, I'll amend it to improper plate. And then there will be a fine of $200. Unless, do you have insurance now or registration?
I had insurance on that vehicle. Is it the BMW? Does it say the vehicle? Yeah, so I had insurance on that vehicle. I ended up getting insurance on it, but then I ended up getting in an accident with it. And so now that vehicle is gone. But I do have like the paperwork with the insurance from it.
You got another vehicle now?
No, I don't have another vehicle at the moment. But I have the proof of me having insurance on the vehicle at the time.
So you did have insurance on the vehicle?
Yeah, I had ended up getting insurance and a plate on that vehicle in November. Yeah, I can pull it up on my phone and email it to the person that they told me I could email it to.
We'll do that. Email. You got the email address to Ms. Horn? You got her email address?
Yeah, is it at Detroit Gov?
Yes.
Yeah, I have it.
Anybody else? You know, I don't see Roberta Robinson. How about Brandy Daniel? Let's see what she has unregistered or untitled vehicle. I will do fail to display. Ms. Daniel, good morning. You have a charge of drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. I would offer fail to display unless you have registration. You're muted. Unmute yourself.
I'll do fail to display.
You take the fail to display?
Yeah.
Okay, just to let you know, there will be a $200 fine.
Okay.
So you can join our room, Mr. Rashid. All right, this is the People versus Brandy Daniel, ticket number SP 1319779, count one, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P374441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
You're muted, Mr.
Brandy Daniel.
Yes. Your Honor, Ms. Daniels wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution in this matter.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Daniel. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Soroki in the court about this case. Is that correct?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will? You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of March 1st, 2022 at approximately 2:46 p.m. On that date and time, were you at near the location of Grand River and Northrop in the city of Detroit?
Oh, yes.
Were you driving 2014 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Was that vehicle unregistered or untitled?
It was unregistered.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Also satisfied factual basis, will accept the admission and amend the count to fail to display. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine, Ms. Daniel, that is due. Can you have it paid by August 19th?
August 19th?
Do you need more time?
Yes.
September 23rd.
Okay, thank you.
All right, any questions?
No, thank you.
We're all set. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Mr. Robertson, turn your video on. Mr. Robertson, can you turn your video on? Unmute yourself. The offer for Mr. Robinson, I don't think he can hear us. He has 2 civil infractions.
Can you see me?
Yes, we can see you and we can hear you as well.
Okay.
So Mr. Robertson, you got a total of 3 tickets.
Yes.
2 of them are civil infractions. Prosecutor's office has offered that if you make admissions to the civil infractions, the misdemeanor would be dismissed.
What does that mean?
Well, you would have a fine and you would have 2 weeks to pay the fine.
And how much the fines?
Tell you 1 second. One fine is 170. Other fine is 120. So it'll be a total of $290 in fines.
Wow. Even though I got them repaired and everything, do I still have to pay?
Do you have proof of that?
Yes, he told me to take pictures of them.
Do you have pictures? Send that in.
How
Send it
do
in to the prosecutor.
I tried to send it in, but it's saying I can't get her email. The email is not correct.
What email address do you have?
I have HORNETOM@DetroitMI.com.
.gov. G-O-V.
Oh, GOV.
Yeah, not .com, but .gov.
.gov. Oh, that's why. Okay. So I need to send that in now?
Yes.
Can you read that handwriting? Okay. I'm trying to send that in right now.
Do you have the pictures already?
Yeah, right. You got the pictures. I already took them.
You want to call another case while he's doing that, Judge? You want me to sit tight?
Yeah. What are you ready on?
Rivers is ready. She's just gonna plead not guilty. We're asking for another date. And I need to verify with
Tito.
with regard to Mr. Royal, whether he has a valid license at this time.
Robertson to break our room while he did that. Join that break our room. All right, Ms. Rivers,
Yes,
let me go to your file. We can do your case. This is the People versus Aretha Rivers, ticket number SP 813371, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number SP 7, I'm sorry, and then count 3 is fraudulent false insurance information, and then there's ticket number SP 778871, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count 2, fail to display a valid operator's license. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Walling.
Good morning, Your Honor. Philip X. Walling, representing Ms. Rivers. State your name, please.
Aretha Rivers.
Your Honor, at this date, this is the date and time for arraignment on bench warrant. Move the court to recall any warrants on Ms. Rivers.
All right, the court will set aside any warrants.
I think we need to have these set for a bench trial via Zoom, Your Honor.
Ms. Rivers, raise your right hand.
Okay.
Do you swear or
Yes.
affirm to tell the whole do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You do understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
So the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set up for a bench trial for September 23rd at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, so you are all set.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Ratliff?
Mr. Walling, you were wondering about DeMarco Royal.
Yes, Your Honor.
CDL is disqualified. His NCL is suspended.
I'm sorry, Judge.
He doesn't have a driver's license. It's suspended.
Okay, thanks. I need to go talk to him again, I guess.
Okay.
What about
Excuse-
Savannah? Yes, Ms. Rivers?
Yes, I was just asking for permission to be dismissed, to hang up, or do I still stay on the line?
You can just hang up. I can remove you.
Okay.
Are you ready on Savannah DeJournette or no?
Your Honor, I haven't talked to her. We could just bring her out and see give her offer and see what we can
I
do.
think we did that, and let me see.
I thought we did too. Let's see.
Yes.
Oh, we didn't. You know what? Because I need an offer on this. I don't know what to offer. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see if these civil infractions are.
Did we dismiss on Dixon, Your Honor? He had his documents.
Yes, we did.
Okay, thank you. And if I could go in and talk to Mr. Royal again, please.
Hold on. Okay. Mr. Royal. Okay, just tap your screen and rejoin, Mr. Wallen.
Oh, yeah, this is. Oh, I'm glad you're here.
Oh, it doesn't give me a room.
Okay, that's okay. I'll move you.
Thank you.
It's sure you right there. You get it at the top of the screen, you get disposition. What's the case number?
Let's say, it says pending.
I don't know if it's not his fault.
Oh, okay, well, I need to offer on this.
Okay. In the right hand corner, it would have DISP, disposition,
Oh, it says pending, okay.
or it would one, it would say
You
one.
mean under status? it would say
Yeah.
that. So we're trying to get an offer right now, Mrs. Soroki, for
Yes.
Dejanay, and then what were we waiting on?
Dillard.
Dillard, Dennis Dillard. We still waiting. Well, I don't have it filed.
Yes, already on Dillard.
We got it
I
already.
do have it, Your Honor.
Okay. I think Anthony, are we waiting on Anthony Robertson? Oh, we're waiting on him to send, he sent us, supposed to be sending you an email.
I just got it. Yep, thank you, Your Honor.
And Samir should be sending you an email too. Okay. And were you talking to DeMar, oh, no, he's talking to DeMarco. Okay, okay, well, we cooking with gas.
Mhm.
No, that's right.